Hello YouTube, this is the Puka, and I have here is a Redstone Block Bud Switch that creates ice and moves it around when ice actually appears. Just a quick demonstration of this guy. Goes like that, and whenever there's ice, see, that just happens. But I gotta tell you, this block here is pretty glitchy. The way this guy works is that if there is a block and a piston cornerways down from it, the piston becomes unstable. So when there's a block update, it moves. But when you move the block, the piston doesn't actually move. You send in a redstone signal, and it still doesn't work. Move that guy, and then this finally moves because this guy goes away, and there's a block update. But this guy now becomes unstable until this goes away. I tried several different other designs, like this guy here, but still the same problem. Move away the block, and I still have that problem. Then I came up with this guy, and to tell you the truth, he is very, very, very overcomplicated. Let me show you. It works. It definitely works, but the only way this guy works is that this redstone block has to go up, over, down, back, forward, and then right, in order for all of these pistons to reset each other and fail correctly. So, I just use this guy here as a detector, and I use this guy as the resetter, and then all these other pistons reset each other. And then these guys move the ice blocks whenever this guy updates. But then I finally came up with another design over here that is really, really simple. What I have here is the detector block, which is right here because of this guy. Whenever this guy updates, he moves over and turns this guy off, which brings the block back. Once the block moves back, then that allows this guy to reset. But it cannot reset until there is a block update next to it. But when this guy moves forward, it will update this guy down here, which is also unstable because of this guy right here. So when there is a block update here, that tells this guy down here, hey, I can update. He goes down, and then this guy gets powered by this block over here and then pulls the ice this way, and then after that ice this block actually comes back, it then powers the bottom guy again in order to push it up. So, but it's a little bit glitchy. It does it like twice, but as long as it doesn't repeat itself constantly, like I've had problems. Because I've had problems where when these two source blocks make a third one here, it would constantly be running, constantly be running, constantly be running. But now this guy just stands still. And I just have these on a default and just that torch there, and that's pretty much all the redstone besides these two blocks right there. So that is my ice producer for a Redstone Block Bud Switch. If you had seen my previous video, ignore it. I finally figured out how to get this thing to work. So this is the Puka signing out.